Guys, welcome back to this Excel course. In this video, we are gonna take a quick look at shortcuts that can make it a little bit quicker for you to change between absolute and relative cell reference. And now we have touched on absolute and relative cell reference in the previous videos, where we have discussed that in order to make a cell absolute, you need to be able to put in a dollar sign in front of the letter and the dollar sign in the front of the number. Now to look at just the column, we put a dollar sign in front of the letter, and to make it look to the row, we put a dollar sign in front of the number. Now, rather than having to type this manually, you can use a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut that we use for this is F4. So if I come out of this and delete this formula, and we'll just put back in the VLOOKUP, so equals V, we want to look up this value, and I say we want to look this value to the column, and the column only. We use the keyboard shortcut F4, and that will make it an absolute reference. We press it a second time, it will make it look to the row, and if we press it the third time, it's look it to the column. Then we put in our comma, and then we select our table. And as we have discussed previously, this just given as well, so the reference. To make it absolute, press F4. We want to look at the full thing. We want column 3, and there we go. Now you can take any formula that is already typed in, and you can change it just by clicking in the cell. I'm clicking at 4. So just change the changes that first part of the formula and keep pressing it till we get back to just looking you to the column. And in the same manner, we can change this second part of the formula. However, a word of warning. If it's already typed in and you go to the end and press F4, it will only change the second part. In the same way, if we click in the first part, we can change just that first part. So that is just a really quick introduction to using F4 to quickly reflect between absolute and relative cell reference. It's a really useful keyboard shortcut that I fortunately forgot to cover in my useful keyboard shortcut video. I do hope that you find this little Excel trick quite useful. Please, if you have any question, please do let me know. And I see you in the next video.